Well, hi, I'm Carl and welcome to Adventures in Camping. Today, we're going to be working on the bench for the campsite and for the fire pit. I'm going to make it simple, fairly short video. I'm going to demonstrate something that I learned from, and giving credit where credit is due, from Marty Rainey from Homestead Rescue. I know he'll never see this, he'll never care. However, I had a homestead. I lost my homestead years ago. It is what it is. However, I like watching him help homesteaders. It's awesome. I have every bit of respect for people who are trying to live off the grid, or I shouldn't say trying, who are living off the grid. I just couldn't do it. Anyway, that's beside the point. So today's demonstration is going to be doing some cuts and putting the bench top on the two locust stumps. As simple as that, but there's something really cool that he does that I learned. You're never too old to learn. Then I'm going to demonstrate. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video. And your comments are important to me. So, please leave a comment and give me a thumbs up. Well, if you give me a thumbs down, do me a favor. Tell me why you're giving me that thumbs down. Maybe I can fix something. Your input is important to me. I enjoy doing these videos, but if I can make things better, I'll try within my ability. Let's get to it. Hold my bottom pieces. No. I'm going a little deep because the screws that I'm using are a little short, but it's what I have. So we're going to use what we got. Should be sufficient. We'll see. Woohoo! That is sexy. I know, maybe I don't know what sexy is. I know what sexy is. There. Beautimous. All right, now for the other end. I do have problems with that sometimes. It seems to be this drill. There. Well, not perfect, but close enough. Good enough for non-government work. Oops, too short. That's what I get for not having measured. Well, I can fix that. Now it should fit nice and snugly. There we go. Voila! It's not going there anywhere now, is it? Well, I'm sure the carpenters out there are having a hissy fit or laughing at me, but hey, it works. Now I'm gonna put a few screws in here on both sides. I replaced my favorite knife with my second favorite knife. This Marbles knife is based on the old U.S. Army knife, multi-blades. It has a regular blade, it has a screwdriver can opener. It's very similar to my Kissing Crane, although I don't like the awl as well, but it still works. Woo! Ain't going nowhere now. Ha ha ha! My body weight. There. Little booger ain't going nowhere now. Well, let's see how she does. Ooh, I like it. I like the height. It's sturdy. Since they're decking boards, they're actually 1 inch thick, so I don't have to worry about putting some kind of a support underneath. At least I don't right now. I have a few more decking boards left, but I'm probably going to add some additional benches around here so you all can join me. Well, how'd you like that little trick? I thought it was really cool. No one ever taught me that years ago. Like I said, you're never too old to learn something. When you feel that you know everything, then you're probably dooming yourself to learning nothing. So, anyway, again, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever you want. Give me a thumbs down. Please give me a reason why. If you give me a thumbs up, I'd love to hear why. Your input is important to me. Well, until next time, y'all come back now, you hear?